Hi, I'm Jennifer Cantor, and I'm one of the web developers.
Hi, I'm Jorge. I'm also one of the web developers.
Hi, I'm Emily Fesnack, and I'm a web developer for this project.
Hi, I'm Clayton, and I worked with social media strategy.
And this is our project. We are the capstone team who worked with 100 Black Men on their website redesign, and this is our final presentation. We hope you enjoy. So this is the redesigned homepage that we came up with. We tried to come up with a design that took away some of that black void of color, kind of color scheme that was on the last website as per JB, Drake, and Commander Buford's recommendations. So we went with a color scheme that took orange, blue, yellow, red, and green to try to kind of create a more youthful and a colorful color scheme. And since we're based in Syracuse, we used an orange color as the basis. We also redesigned the logo and made it white for here so that it went up against a darker background. And that was stylistic change also to get rid of some of that black void of color. So up here we put all of the main headers, and on the side you will have your student and member logins as well as the search bar. This here is a picture slider, which means it will be on a timer, and the pictures will change every few seconds. You can also control which picture that you see as a background using these little dots right here. This is a very common theme used for a lot of very modern websites right now, and it's also implemented on the National 100 Black Men website as well. Down here we also mimic the 100 Black Men website by implementing some of the program sections here as kind of a shortcut, and we'll show in the next mock-up that when you roll over these, they will demonstrate some descriptions for each of these. Here is an automated save the date section, so it's similar to a calendar function. Its purpose is to automatically update whenever you implement any updates to your calendar, to current events coming up. It will automatically put in anything that is coming up next, and so that way when new users come onto the website, they will automatically be able to see what's coming up and can get involved very quickly without having to click through a bunch of buttons in order to find that. Here we have a picture and the donate button. So the purpose of putting up the donate button here as well as at the top, as you saw before, is because if new people come to the website and scroll through to see what 100 Black Men is about, then they'll reach the donate button and they can very easily just donate there rather than scrolling back to the top of the screen. Yeah, just finish up here. So here we put the photo gallery so that if anybody reaches the bottom of the page and wants to see more about the events and the programs that you guys are implementing, they can click here and see more photos instead of scrolling to the top. And we included a footer here that utilized the logo that we redesigned again and includes the contact information. If we scroll up again, here you'll see a little arrow, and this arrow is kind of a tag for social media. So the arrow indicates that there's something hidden here, and a user or a visitor to the website will see the arrow and they can scroll over it and social media icons will come out. We'll show this on the next mock-up, which will show how the different facets of the website look when they're clicked on or hovered over. And I'll show how that's used. But that's a very common implemented element on a lot of websites used today as well. Kind of having that hidden factor. It helps the website be less cluttered and also to be a bit more organized. So here we show that it's a different picture change. So as you can see, the colored dot is different, meaning that it's on a different image. And we also utilized orange and black to demonstrate when a certain aspect is hovered over. So if someone was to hover over student login, it would turn orange. If someone was to hover over programs, it would turn black. And that's just to kind of show some interaction on the website. As well, if someone was to hover over mentoring, it would demonstrate a description of mentoring. So we took this from the current website, and it says helping to promote full development of our youth, and that's one of the tags on your current website. If we scroll down, you'll see that if you scroll over the picture from one of the road trips that you guys have taken with some students, there's the 100 Black Men vision statement is then put here. So that's only comes up when somebody scrolls over it and puts their mouse over it, and then they can see information. And when they scroll their mouse off, they can see all of the students' beautiful faces. Scroll down again. So that's it for this implementation. And then we have a third mock-up to show some of the other implementations. So here we divided this up just so you could see the student login being colored on the last one. If we move the mouse away here for a second, then we'll see that when you click on programs, a kind of block will come down, and that's your subheading. So we tried to keep this very clean and also mimic some other school websites that have also implemented this. You can click on mentoring, education, health and wellness, economic empowerment, and this would be mimicked on all of these kind of header points. We just used the programs one as an example. A picture will go right here, and a description of the specific web page that you're kind of hovering over will be on the side. So that's an example of what that might look like, and we utilize the blue here to match the blue color scheme before. So again, trying to add a little bit more color, a little more interaction on the website, and here you can see what the social media icon list will look like if you hover over that little arrow that was there before. So this is the redesign of the homepage based on all of our research and our ideas for really modern and interactive websites that are really the most effective at getting your point across. And we really tried to make the focus of the content on the students and the events that 100 Black Men puts on for the students. So that's why a lot of the pictures we tried to focus on students, and we tried to really focus on that kind of representation. Finally, we also included a mock-up of one of the pages on the website. So one example would be the media website, or the media page. So as you can see, once we leave the home page, the slider, the picture slider that we had before is removed, and we have a white background. So in that instance, we changed the logo back to black, and we changed these to a default of orange. Then we have, for the picture gallery, we really wanted to clean it up because right now the pictures are organized in a drop-down menu from the home page, and all of the events are listed in a very long list, which isn't very helpful for a user who doesn't know what they're looking for to see just a giant list on a front page. That's not very modern, and it's not really what a lot of modern websites are using. So the kind of concept that a lot of websites have now is to have very small lists that come down from the different banners from the navigation bar, and instead redirect to a number of pages so someone can more easily find the specific information that they want. So here, if you click on media, we automatically go to pictures, and we organize them into different categories. You can absolutely change these categories. You can also change the pictures that you want to be featured on the website. These are all just samples. So here we have annual banquets, mentoring, student retreats, and charity events. So anybody can click on the exact one that they want. And when you hover over one, it will turn black and be black bolded. So that's an example of when a mouse would hover over one of these options. And if it's clicked, then you go to the gallery for that specific event. We also included a video section. Unfortunately, right now, you guys don't have any videos, but if you did, which would be very helpful with modern media, videos are more and more being implemented on websites, and that would really bring your website into the new age. So this is an example of what the videos would look like. For now, we just took a picture from the website, added a play button, and kind of put where the title of the video would go. So that's an overview of the redesign that we did for 100 Black Men. we really hope you guys enjoy it. We based all of our changes and our concepts on the 100 Black Men National website, as well as modern concepts used in web design today. So we really hope that you guys enjoy it and get the most use out of it. Thank you.